Hello everyone. Today I will tell you the simplest formula for calculating formal charge of an atom. So the formula is formal charge is equals to number of valence electron minus sum of the number of bonds plus number of non-bonded electrons. Non-bonded electrons means those electrons which are not participated in making bonds. So by using this formula you can easily calculate formal charge of an atom. So let's start with hydronium ion. So H3O plus. Let's draw the structure for this molecule. This is oxygen, 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen and 1 lone pair. This is positive charge. Now calculate the formal charge for this oxygen atom. So formal charge is equals to number of valence electron of oxygen atom. So the number of valence electron of oxygen is 6 minus number of bonds 1, 2, 3, 3 bonds plus number of non-bonded electrons. So here number of non-bonded electron is 2 is equals to 6 minus 3 plus 2 is 5 is equals to plus 1. So formal charge for oxygen atom is plus 1. So this positive charge is due to the formal charge on oxygen atom. Now calculate the formal charge of every atom in SO2 molecule. So let's draw the structure of SO2 molecule. So S at center, double bond O and O. 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair of electrons and here 3 lone pair of electrons. So first we will calculate formal charge for sulfur atom. So formal charge for sulfur is equals to valence electron for sulfur atom is 6 minus number of bond is 1, 2, 3 plus number of non-bonded electrons. So 1, 2. So 6 minus 3 plus 2 is 5 is equals to 1 plus 1. So formal charge for sulfur atom is plus 1 plus. Now calculate formal charge for this oxygen atom. This is number 1 oxygen atom, this is number 2 oxygen atom. So for oxygen 1, so formal charge for oxygen 1 is equals to number of valence electron of oxygen is 6 minus number of bond is only 1 and number of non-bonded electron is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 6 plus 1 is 7. So formal charge for oxygen is minus 1. Minus. Now calculate formal charge for this oxygen atom, oxygen number 2. So formal charge for oxygen 2 is equals to number of valence electron for oxygen is 6 minus number of bond is 2 and number of non-bonded electron is 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to 6 minus 4 plus 2 is 6. So formal charge for oxygen number 2 is 0. So SO2 molecule is a neutral molecule because if we add this plus and minus we will get 0.